Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and I am a licensed massage therapist here in California, and today is going to be an exciting video because we're going to talk all about how to have a long and fulfilling career as a massage therapist. And I decided to make this video kind of like a sit-down video, just talking to you guys because it's been a while, and also I have been pretty exhausted in my career so far as a massage therapist, at least the last couple of months. I mean, you guys have seen me throughout my videos. There will be times where I'm just so tired and burnt out, and times where I'm super happy and I just feel like so fulfilled and I'm loving this job. But I kind of wanted to share my experience of being a massage therapist and how I'm lasting in this career. And I also got some advice from my colleagues and coworkers in my last couple of jobs and how they have stayed in this career for so long. One of my coworkers has been a massage therapist for 15 years. She still loves this job so much, extremely passionate about it. And then I know massage therapists who are in their 70s still massaging, you know, part-timers in a spa, and it's been really inspiring, and it just got me thinking, how do they last so long as a massage therapist when we're using our bodies, we are giving so much of ourselves and our energy? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first let's talk about how to have a long career as a massage therapist, because you know, this is our job. Of course we want to stay in this job as long as we can, and there are many different ways to make a living as a massage therapist. Of course, you can work in a spa, you can work in a doctor's office, chiropractor, physical therapy office, with an oncologist, have your own private practice, the list goes on. And we really have to be intentional about our career path and how we really want to develop in our career, because we can't just keep on, you know, give all of ourselves and all our energy if we're not enjoying a specific niche that we're doing, if we're not enjoying where we're working. So, you know, you have to be a massage therapist for the right reasons. You have to pick the right niche. And also, if this job isn't for you, you know, life goes on. People are always changing careers. People change careers in their 60s and 50s, and you know, don't feel bad if this isn't the right career for you, but if it is the right career for you and you love it and you're so passionate about it, make sure you're working somewhere where you love. You know, for me, and what I've noticed with a lot of massage therapists is that right after massage school, they go straight into working in a spa environment, because that is where you can make pretty good money, especially when you're starting off in your career. The great thing about a spa is that you can make really good money, and you know, you don't have to worry about booking your own clients, and you have all the materials for you. You have all the oils, all the products, high-end products too, if you work at a really good spa. But the only thing is that you can get 6, 7, sometimes people even get 7 clients a day. And working in a spa is where you sometimes realize like if this is the right path for you, because you're just doing it so often. So you know, if it's not the right path for you, but you still love massage therapy, why not explore other avenues? Maybe you do want to start your private practice right away, and maybe you decide you want to do lymphatic massage who are undergoing plastic surgery or recovery, or maybe you want to work with cancer patients. There's so many niches out there. So if working in the spa isn't for you, where you're working with so many clients every single day and you're doing the same Swedish and deep tissue every single day, really think about what niche you want to do, because there's so many things you can do out there. Don't just stay limited to a couple modalities of massage therapy. One of my coworkers actually, she's going to school right now to learn more about lymphatic massage, because she wants to, you know, do detox massage therapy, and you know, there's good money in that as well, and it's also a lighter massage, so you don't have to exert all your energy and your body into your clients. So there's so many different educational programs for massage. Look at that. That may be helpful for you. So this is a major one, and this is actually taking care of your body. No matter what niche you're in, if you work at a spa or you work on your own, it is so important for a massage therapist to take care of their body. And I'm learning this, guys, because, you know, I feel like, honestly, us as massage therapists really need massages at least once a week, and I don't think a lot of massage therapists even get massages once a week. If not, at least every couple of weeks. It can't just be once a month, because now I'm learning the hard way is that I start feeling super burnt out, unfulfilled in my job when I'm so tired, and I just feel really stressed when I think about having to work on my next client. And I don't want to feel that way, because I love working on people, I love helping people. But when you're tired yourself, how can you give to others when your glass is half empty, or even more than half empty, right? Sometimes people feel like giving up really fast in this career because they're just really tired and they find it hard to keep up with all the clients and giving so much of yourself to your clients. That's why it is so important to get your massages every single week, to take baths, magnesium baths, Epsom salt baths, maybe doing some self-massage using a percussion massager. I will be making more videos on that as well. I use the brand Ekron Athletics. I have that specific massage gun for myself and for my clients. Also, it's really important to exercise, and don't burn yourself out with exercising as well, because you really have to be intuitive with your body, how you're feeling. If you're exercising every single day and you're so exhausted and then you have to go to work, and you have to figure out the right routine for you, because exercising, it can help you feel energized, or it may even make you feel worse and make you feel like you're just broken down, and it's hard to work on others because it is such a physical job. So you have to figure out what works best for you. Do you want to do like a light workout, maybe some light weights, some cardio, some Pilates, some yoga, whatever it is, figure out what works best for your body so that you will feel energized every single day. And then, of course, this goes for eating right, eating healthy. I actually recently saw a nutritionist, and we created a diet plan for me that really just helps me have more energy, and it helps my gut. And I can go all into this, but your gut, how you eat, affects your mental health. And your mental health affects how you work on others. So it all connects. Food connects with your health, health connects with your happiness, happiness connects with your career and overall life in general. It is all so interesting, and I love it so much. But, eating healthy, exercising, getting massages every single week, taking baths, icing your wrists and your fingers and your hands, all of that is very important, and I feel like a lot of us neglect it. I neglect it myself, going to be honest with you guys, but it's so important because that's going to keep you lasting longer in this career. And if you don't take care of yourself, you are going to be grumpy, you're going to hate going to work, you're going to not like seeing your clients, you're going to wish that you had cancellations, and it's just a negative mindset. And sometimes, honestly, we get to that point. And that's when you really have to check yourself and be like, you know what, am I taking care of myself internally and mentally? And once you become aware of that, I think it's so much easier to last in this career. And again, it comes back to, are you passionate about being a massage therapist? Because all of this isn't for nothing, right? Like taking care of yourself, putting the work into yourself, it's a lot of work, and I feel like you only progress in this career if you're truly passionate about massage therapy. And again, like I said earlier in this video, you may want to change careers because it's not for you. This career is amazing because we're helping people. It's such a fulfilling career to help people and to make people feel amazing, right? But if you quit this job, it doesn't mean you're a bad person. It just means that this is not the right way you want to help people. So don't feel bad about it, but also realize that, that's why in this career, we don't work a full 40 hours, is because for the rest of that time, you want to take care of yourself, or you have to have that self-care. Maybe you do other things on the side as well, but don't push it too hard, because if you do, you're going to want to quit fast. Next thing about having a long career is feeling a certain type of joy when you massage people. And this goes back to being passionate, but There are times when I massage when I literally, like, of course I do my best. I try to do my best with every single client that I have. I try to work hard just because this is just my personal belief, but I work hard because God gave me this body to help others and to glorify Him and to work hard for Him, right? So that's why I work hard, and because I am passionate about this career. However, there are times when like I don't feel super connected inside. When you don't feel connected inside, it's kind of you're just going through the motions and your mind isn't there. You're thinking about other things, maybe problems you have, or just like what you're going to do later in the day. You know, massage therapy can be not only healing for your client, but also can be very meditative on you as well as a massage therapist. The act of massage therapy, when you're feeling truly connected with the motion and with the client, it feels amazing. I cannot describe how it feels. It's kind of like, you know, when people pray or when they meditate and they feel so connected inside. That's kind of how it feels when you massage. It just feels so beautiful, and I cannot explain it. It's like a dance. Because I feel like with massage, you know, the power of touch is super important, and that kind of connects you to your client. But of course, you know, there are massage modalities like maybe stretching or like deep work where you don't, it's not like a Swedish massage where you're just like in that flow. But, you know, I feel like with every single type of massage modality, there will be a type of connection with your client. And that really goes with how do you set your day up as a massage therapist? Are you doing breathing work in the beginning? Are you kind of centering yourself before you massage? Like having that moment to yourself, you know, feeling really peaceful inside can help you with your day and again, with your career. Yeah, that's why I think that it's so important to really ground yourself, to connect yourself, to feel that inner peace inside. And when you're massaging, it's like this constant flow. You feel something really meditative inside. Comment down below if you guys kind of know what I feel. I actually talked about this with one of my coworkers the other day, and she feels that too. It's kind of like sometimes you close your eyes as a massage therapist and you're just like moving. Oh, it feels so good. Keep that in your practice as long as you can. And if you're feeling disconnected and thinking about other things, if you're not staying in the present moment while you massage, just be aware of it and try to like go back, like whatever it is, if it's the next day or next week, try to work on that connection inside and being at peace and being grounded. Again, last part that I talked about is a little bit confusing if you don't know what I mean. But if you have any questions, comment down below about that, because it is such a beautiful feeling when you massage someone. All right, so now we're going to talk all about feeling fulfilled in this career and, you know, why it is such a fulfilling and meaningful job as a massage therapist, and how when you feel fulfilled, you will have a longer career. I feel so much fulfillment at the end of the day, especially when I make someone feel like a new person. You know, I'm not perfect. I'm not a perfect massage therapist at all. I feel like I don't make all my clients feel like they're on a cloud. I would like to, but not everyone's going to connect with you that way. But I love making my clients feel so healthy and like there's no more aches or pains. And of course, I'm not going to take away people's like all their pain in their body, because that's, you know, massage is more so like a therapeutic act instead of like I'm going to take all your pain away. But I just love making my clients feel like they can really like run 2 miles now, like their body is just new. That is such an amazing feeling. Also, a lot of people that go to my spa, they come to my spa because maybe they got it for a gift. Maybe it is a wedding gift, a bachelorette gift, maybe it's their birthday, whatever it is. Like or maybe it was like, you know, a gift that someone gave them for a specific holiday, whatever it is. Like that makes me feel like, okay, this massage is a gift for someone. Like of course I'm going to do my best with everyone that I work on. However, it's just like, oh, this is a gift for someone. Like, I want to put all my love into this specific service that I'm giving. So yeah, it's fulfilling to be able to know that massage is a gift to people, and to know that like it can make someone feel so much joy and so much happiness. And know that as a massage therapist, you're in the field of wellness. So how amazing is that, to know that you're making people just feel so much healthier internally, right? Because we go to the doctor to get medicines, we go to the doctor, maybe they're diagnosing you with something, but I think doctors are so important, but so are people who work on bodies and try to help your health internally and holistically as well. And I've been so into that these last couple of years of my life. So that's why I think it's such a fulfilling thing to be a body worker and to be in the field of wellness and health, and to really help people become a better version of themselves. And how fulfilling is that? I think honestly, like, I feel like we are in this world to serve others and to help others, because I feel like serving others is like the ultimate form of happiness. Of course, we have to take care of ourselves too, but when we really give to others and serve others and try to make people feel better, like, what more do you want? That is amazing to me. And that is why doing this job almost every single day, well, actually I have like 3 days off sometimes, but doing this job, it really is something that I'm very proud of, and something that I hold dear to my heart, because it is so fulfilling. And I hope that I can do this for a majority of my life, of course, until I retire. And the great thing about massage therapy is that, you know, you can do other things on the side as well. Especially, you can control your hours, you can schedule if you want to work only like 3 times a week, or if you want to work seven days a week. But you have to take care of yourself. But you can do other things on the side too. Like, I don't plan on being full-time, especially when I have a family someday, but I hope that I can continue massaging and making a difference in people's lives as long as I can. And that's why I hope that this video helps you all out there who also love massaging and are curious about keeping your job as a massage therapist. And if you're burnt out, I hope that this video helped you too, because sometimes we're burnt out, but we still want to be massage therapists, and we want to learn how to take care of ourselves and, you know, learn how to be better massage therapists as the years go by. So I love you guys so much. I'm sorry I haven't been posting much. I know it's like still the start of the year, but I definitely want to keep talking to you guys as well. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.